Hello, Julie Lavon here, sole owner of Dylan Stitcher, and now a newly e-commerce geek in Dillwood, if you will. I enrolled in a 90-day intense technical boot camp last May. Best decision I could have ever made because it's now transformed into my baby. I emerged from the real estate industry where I was a successful real estate agent and property manager who went on to own my own property management company. I thrived with filling portfolios for property managers and investors, creating bonds of trust. And that was not really there.
Sorry.
No, it wasn't. That's okay. All right. We're going to go ahead and do this again.
All right, just go back over there.
You know what? I think it would be better. And can I just make a suggestion? Just that's it. Not just a suggestion. I'm thinking.
I don't need to see that.
I know you don't, but I need to see the cards, and so do you. So,
yeah.
What
Well, I
I'm
was
thinking.
closing my eyes because my neck keeps wanting to
Okay.
fucking cramp on me. I don't know why.
You know what? Regardless of what's cramping and what's not, bottom line is.
We need to get this shit done.
And I want you to be close enough to where you can sit with your crooked neck and still show me the cards without being crooked. Okay? Is that set up? Did you stop recording? Or?
No, it's still recording.
All right. Yay.
Another blooper.